welcome back to my channel. So today Noriyas has thought about a good video idea, and I'm
trying to get her in the thing.
Today I'm going to be transforming Noriyas into me. Because she wants to be me.
No.
I was gonna do like a braid out style and have, you know, me take down my braid out and then take down Noriyas braid out. But Noriyas wants me to do her hair in a low ponytail, which is
like her.
Yes, I wear a low ponytail on my hair. So I'm gonna do that in Noriyas hair, and do it to my hair. I'm about to go to the bathroom and get this all done up.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy this type of video. If you do, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And don't you forget to turn on those notifications.
Okay, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so this is the ponytail that Noriyas loves so much. She loves when I wear it because she likes the way my hair is always like super slicked down. She's like, Mommy, how do you get your hair like that? Transforming Noriyas into me. No, me. Now, if you guys want to know the secret to getting a really sleek ponytail, this is the secret. So I'm going to let this sit on Noriyas' hair. My hair is normally so easy to put into like a slick ponytail, but Noriyas' hair, I'm sweating, okay?
No, you're not.
So, Noriyas' hair is was not as easy to put into that slick ponytail. I was struggling a little bit, but we got it done, and it got into the ponytail. So
I don't know her.
So once Noriyas' hair is done setting for like 5 seconds, well 5 minutes, I'm going to put some oil on her hair, and I'm using my DIY growth oil, which is almost empty. We use this all the time, don't we?
Please tell me that if you put some lip gloss on, it just makes your whole outfit shine. Comment down below and answer that question. Say yes.
Alright, so as you guys know, I don't wear makeup. The most that I would do is put on some chapstick, so I'm just going to put that on Noriyas. So I normally wear hoop earrings when I wear low ponytails, so since Noriyas is just a little kid, we're going to put hoop earrings on her, but they're going to be very small.
Oh, and you guys, in the first part of the video, I had her hoop earrings on.
Yeah, she did. She had on my hoop earrings in the beginning of the video.
My friends at school, they will always ask me if I can do a morning routine. I'm doing the morning routine.
That's it. That's pretty much all I do, right? I don't wear makeup. I don't do any extra things to my hair.
It's not extra.
Literally, well, I'm not saying wear makeup is extra. I'm just saying it's an extra step.
It is?
Yeah. Because if you don't put on makeup, it's not an extra step. When you put on makeup, you take an extra step.
I get it, because some people on morning routines, they be saying that it takes them an hour to do their makeup.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, give it a like if you'd like to see more like this. This was totally Noriya's idea. She came up with this whole entire video idea, so kudos to her. And for those of you who have been asking why Noriya hair videos have not been on my channel, it's because Noriya hates doing hair videos.
Please comment some challenges, some pranks or something.
Girl, we are not doing pranks on this channel.
Why?